Hey friends, Drew here in beautiful Lincoln University, Pennsylvania. You got a call today from a property management company. One of their tenants was having a problem with a water leak behind a toilet. And as you can see, this guy is well past its useful life and it's dripping here on the ground. And the tenants were nice enough to throw a nice little plastic dish down here underneath things to help catch the water until we were able to get it replaced. And so it looks like this is a CPVC style valve. And the way these come, you buy these, they look like this. This is a right angle valve. It's got a spot for your glue and CPVC in the back, and this part spins freely. And there is a rubber bushing down inside of there. And you've got to make sure that you put this on before you glue this whole rig together. Well, this is set up very tightly in the wall, but what we were able to do is remove, of course, the old stem. I was able to get in there and get the old rubber washer out, which isn't working anymore. We are going to steal the rubber washer off of this brand new one. Going to put that rubber washer in the hole, and then we're going to screw this back on using the original nut instead of the new one, because the seal is created by that rubber gasket, and the nut on the outside is just there to hold things tight. So we're going to take and get that replaced, and since we know the bathroom was put in at the same time, we're also going to check underneath the vanity to make sure that those guys aren't having problems as well. All right, simple, easy, done. We've got the new one back on. We've got a new aquaflow connector there for the supply line. We'll put the escutcheon ring back on. And we're gonna check underneath the sink and see what that looks like. And this is a different style. This one looks like there is a threaded drop ear 90 in there. And then this piece is threaded into that with some sort of a nipple is my guess. It doesn't look like it's a glue-on fitting because I don't see a way for us to unscrew that. And I do see what looks like might be some plumber's putty in there, or not plumber's putty, pipe dope around the threads. So not going to do anything with that today. That's a different style. Maybe it was retrofitted later, not really sure, but that can be addressed at a different time if it becomes a problem. Come back down to the basement, turn the water main back on, repressurize the system. Of course, we had drained the laundry sink first, so that gives the next low point for water to get out, and then we opened valves upstairs to allow the water in the house to drain, so we weren't flooding when we took that valve off the wall. And then we can turn off the tap here at the sink and those in the shower. And I don't see any leak-wise. This looks pretty good. So we should be good to go.
So that's going to do it for this edition of Forever Home. If we can solve a problem for you, give our team a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-7708. There's nothing our team doesn't do. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, gutters and drainage, kitchens, bathrooms, basements, flooring, plumbing, electrical, drywall, spackle paint, building addition, a custom dream home, a garage. Let us know what problem we can solve for you. Take a picture of what's bugging you. Send it to us right here on our Facebook page. Click that Contact Us button there at the top. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe, comment, like the video, share it. If you're on Facebook, of course, share this with your friends. We appreciate you helping us get the word out. Remember, we're finished with it. You're proud to say it's not just done, it was co-built. Your only complaint will be, how come no one told us to call him sooner? We'll catch you guys on the next edition of Forever Home. Bye for now.